Hello, welcome back to Tony Dock Station. This is the Backscenes part 2. So when I left you, I'd done that bit and I showed you a little bit of this corner here. Now the keen-eyed of you might notice this is different because I made some mistakes, which is inevitable. So I've changed it ever so slightly. That's obviously still quite a hard line, and that is going to be masked by scenery, so you won't see that sort of hard edge there. But bear in mind, this is supposed to be sort of a railway side here at this height. I've extended it with a different backscene, one that matches all the way along, right to the edge there. It's still got that sort of industrial feel. I've gone for the industrial pack. That there is effectively the very edge of that bit there, so you can't actually see. So that bit there actually goes there, and then that's one long seam, but obviously I want the water in there, so I had to do a little bit of bodging and scarpering, but that's now up. I've just got that clamp at the back gluing, so I've got like a glue down the back, so I haven't got screws going through the actual seam itself, so that's just holding some glue on the back. There is a join there which is noticeable, but that's just two pieces of wood actually joined together there, so there's not much else I can do about that. It's as level as it's going to get, and it's one of those things I'm just going to have to live with. But I mean, I could have put a big ass tree in there or something, I don't know, but I'm happy with that. And the other join is there, if you can see it, just to the right of that tree. Again, really not the end of the world for me. It's at viewing sort of distance, you can't notice it all that well, I don't think. But it's just the thing with these backscenes, they are going to have join lines, and you can only do the best you can to join them. And I have done the best I can with it. It is inevitable, I think. But overall, I'm happy with the overall look of that. So here's going to be my dock area, some sort of retaining wall or something, I'm not sure, and then that's going to be sort of the next level up with some railway there over the bridge and water, and then basically what is effectively a sky scene over the back there. But if you did want to pop your head over, there is some scenery, and then it'll be going off that way. So what I'm doing now is working on the sides here. So this one I'm working on is going to be going along this side here, but because it's the shorter width one, I can't do sort of what I've done to secure these by sort of screwing through the wood there and then putting a wood brace behind, because it's pretty much the entire height of the back seam. So I'm going to be putting battens behind, screwing those through on the front, and then laying the back seam over that, so that you won't actually see the screws, and then these battens will be what screw into the actual the frame itself. So what I'm going to do is basically take some scrap woods, battens, do it all the way along. You can sort of see where I've got some screw holes, and then that will then have the back seam put over that, and then that will then get mounted in there, along there. So that's the next job. And as if by magic, we have one side back seam. This one, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, is heels and dowels, and then I've got heels and dowels on the other side as well. I've got a little bit left over because this isn't quite the length of that, so there'll be a little bit to add on there as well. But overall, the join is sort of there-ish. It's not that noticeable. I'm happy with that. It's only going to be the side one anyway, so this isn't going to be my primary sort of focus. However, I don't know if you can see it, I made a big mistake. Well, not a mistake, but a little error. As you can see, this back seam over here got stuck on itself. So some of the ink has come off. Annoying, but it's going to do for now, and if I have to repatch it another day with a different one, I will, but for now it's good enough for me to go up. And yeah, he is very frustrating, but there's nothing I can do about it right now. I haven't got another one to use, so I'll order another one, and I'll fix that another day. But overall, looks quite good. I'm really quite pleased with this. So let's get it mounted. I've added in that last little section on the end there, and there will be a scenic break to tie that all in. But yeah, so that is one side in, and the sort of scenery underneath as well gives me some options there. But the main thing is to have that there, and it's going to give some great scenic views with the up and the down there. As you can see, the scene sort of level at the bottom there with that ground level. Already it's going to be good. That corner, well, obviously there'll be some sort of scenic area in there to sort of merge that together, but all in all, that one pretty happy with, apart from the little area down the end there where the scene got stuck to itself. But again, it's not easy to take out, but it is, as you just saw me sort of doing the time lapse there, it's just sort of screwed in, so if I need to change that out I can. But yeah, I'm going to crack on with the other side now, and then we'll nearly be done. Okay, and I've now installed that back one there. That one appears a lot more level. There is a slight join there, and I had to make some compromise with this one because I needed the top level. So where I've had to do it underneath, it doesn't match up, but this whole area is going to be out of view anyway. So I thought it was more important to have the sky level. Then that'll be blended again. So it's pretty much a nice big sky bit here. Now as we look further down, got nice loads of hills and stuff. And then if I bring it around into this area here, I have that nice scenic area in there as well. And then the corner will again be blended to make it all transition very nicely. But I'm really pleased with these, and I'm pleased with the smaller size looking correct, because it's obviously all those will be much further in the distance, so that's a little bit smaller than this scale here. I think it's going to work very well, and again there'll be a nice scenic break there, and that'll all blend in nicely. So all I've got left to do is the back scenes across the back there, which I can't do today because I've got to go buy some more material for that. And the actual back scene itself, that one, I don't think it's going to be long enough, so I need to get another little add-on, and then the back scenes will be done. So all in all, very pleased. I've had a couple of little ups and downs, but overall it's come out exactly, well, it's achieved exactly what I was looking to achieve, so very happy with that. So I'm going to leave this video here, and I'll see you in the next one when all the back scenes will be done, and I'll be looking at what I'm doing next. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.